unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To ensure your fridge is cold enough, check the temperature using a fridge thermometer. The ideal range is between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 38 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.7 degrees Celsius and 3.3 degrees Celsius. Regularly monitoring helps prevent food spoilage and ensures safety. If your fridge doesn't maintain this range, consider adjusting the thermostat or consulting a professional for maintenance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.